Welcome back. In today's video we'll be looking at 10 easy ways to improve the sound quality on your Samsung phone. You don't need to follow all the methods, so feel free to skip any you don't think will help. Let's get into them. We'll start by heading to the sound quality settings, as there's a number of changes we can make here to hopefully improve the quality. Open the Settings app, and then choose the option called Sounds and Vibration from the list. Within here, scroll down and tap on where it says Sound Quality and Effects. Firstly, turn on Dolby Atmos if you can at the top, and test out the sound to see if this improved the quality. You could also enable it for gaming if you play a lot of games with the sound as well. Stay in here for the next method and tap on where it says Equalizer. You can change to one of the preset options and test the sound, or customize the frequency levels at the bottom until you feel it has improved the quality. You'll probably need to fine-tune this to get the sound profile that is of your preference. Next, if you can, enable the UHQ Upscaler. Not all devices will support this, but if you can, turn it on. This should improve the sound quality of some sounds on your device. There's one more change we can make within this section. Tap on where it says Adapt Sound. Customize this section. For example, you can change what to adapt the sound for, and then adjust the boost options at the bottom. The next method is to change the sound quality within some of the apps you use. Check the sound or audio settings in your apps to see if there's a quality option. I'll show you how to do this in Spotify. Open Spotify and then tap on your profile icon in the top left, and then choose Settings and Privacy. Within here, select Audio Quality from the list, and now you can choose the streaming quality on this page for both over Wi-Fi and data by tapping on the option you want. If you don't have Spotify Premium, you won't be able to choose the highest quality, but make sure it's set to the best you can get. Next, we can try enabling mono audio. You might prefer the sound with this on, especially for things like podcasts. To test this out, open the Settings app, and then scroll down and select Accessibility from the list. Now tap on Hearing Enhancements and look for the mono audio option. Tap on this and then you can enable or disable it with the toggle switch, and also choose which devices will use it. You can of course disable it here at any time if you prefer it off. The next method is to check for software updates, as they could fix audio issues or add new features. Head to the home page of the settings and then scroll down and choose Software Update. Check for updates by tapping on Download and Install. The next two methods are only for those of you with Bluetooth sound devices. If you have any problems with the sound quality, then it's probably worth unpairing and then reconnecting the device. You can do this in the Bluetooth settings for your audio device. Once again, this next method is only for those of you with Bluetooth headphones or earphones. For this method, we need to access the developer settings, and if you've never done this before, there will be a seemingly strange way to access it. First head to the settings, and scroll all the way down to where it says About Phone, and tap on this. Then choose Software Information, and then find where it says Build Number. Tap on this 7 times, then enter your passcode, and head back to the main settings page. Developer options should now appear, and if you tap on this, scroll down until you find the networking section. Within it, look for Bluetooth audio codec. Before changing this, make a note of what it is currently set to, which will probably be SBC, as you might need to change it back to this if you run into any problems. You could try testing out each of the other options to see if they improve the sound, but it's possible that not all will be compatible with your device. The final method is to use another sound device if you can. Sometimes just a change in the sound profile from a different device can be fresh enough to improve the sound quality. That's 10 easy ways to improve the sound quality on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.